So viewer, subscribers, if you're new to the channel, subscribe to 4K Shella Energy. And this one, we have 1Biggs done, Skeng and Gully. Yeah man, me know you don't want to miss this. So watch on man, make we keep this off the right way.
Well, you know it's Giant G man representing for 4K Shella Energy. Subscribe to the YouTube channel, like, comment and share. Click the bell to be notified. Right this.
So viewer, subscriber, is 1Biggs done an artist? May I leave that the question for Uno? You see me? 1Biggs done in the studio, I put a song together, and it's like 1Biggs done I try find it hard to put the lyrics them together, and you see me, it just seem like same a struggle. So a lot of people have it to say, oh, 1Biggs done can't find another hit song, and it just seem like him a struggle in the studio. You see me? So wanna make me know what you think after watching this little small clip with him in the studio, and me I go give you my honest opinion on it. So just pre-war go on.
Fully V tank. I thought the grand more say about me exaggerate right this about them I know say exaggerate. 30 grand fully V tank. I don't know, 30 grand, 12 grand. 12 grand, 30 grand, 10 grand. Yeah, easy one them, you know? 30 grand, 40 grand. 10 grand fully tank, 30 grand fully tank. But I may exaggerate more than so like me don't know what me I say. Flipping up straight and me flipping up it cash I made a full of back again. Yeah. Fucking up straight and me flipping up it cash I made up again.
Yeah man, so on the see it for yourself. It seems like say 1Biggs done a struggle for write a next song, and my honest opinion on it is that Biggs done you just need to learn learn the type of vehicle them before you sing about them, you see me? But at the end of the day, a music, and in a music you have to be creative. You see me? You have to be creative when it comes down to music. And Mona say he's struggling. Biggs Dan is just trying to find like he just try to put some words together for not sound like an idiot, but he might try to make it sound sensible. That's why I must say 30 grand for full the V8 tank. Even though we know say I know Gully so much. You feel me? But he's a good artist. But Biggs Dan just need to focus more upon his craft and come off of the Instagram live, because that now gonna help you as an artist. And the only way that help you is like to build a fan base and make people know of you even more. But Instagram live cannot help you like that. You see me? So Biggs Dan just need to focus more upon his craft, and at the end of the day, if you can't find a next song, people are gonna just say you're a one hit wonder. From a release the song that is like it's hard for you to find a next hit, just like someone, now call my name. But yeah, Biggs Dan, big up yourself. Just as I say, focus on yourself, focus on your craft. Stop following the negativity in the media and do your thing, you see me? So if you want to subscribe and can let me know what you think about this. Let me know if you feel like say 1Biggs Dan I find it hard to write a song. And remember, subscribe to 4K Shella Energy if you're new to the channel. Well, if you are a subscriber, in this one, we have Gully I claim says Skeng stole this style, and me don't know. It's like dancehall artists always make this big deal about somebody sounding a little like them, or maybe do something similar to them. Just like when Jeff Fully Auto a drop song for Brian Messiah, because he must say Brian Messiah stole his flow, you see me? It's like it's like family members fighting over land. I swear. But me go read where Gully say, and only can let me know what you think, you see me? So pre this. So the entertainer said, a whole heap of my style Skeng I use. Me not afraid of nobody. He said on Tea Time Shellian. He might use my style with other people's style and other people's lyrics, and put other people's lyrics together. No disrespect, youth. Look, no. This is not no violence thing me I come with. Me glad to see how you are use my style, cause people say. Why him I use Gully style? And no miss say so, a people tell me. So there you have it, people. That's what Gully said. And me, as if me was king, would I take this personal, because he said him I use my style with other people's style and other people's lyrics. So Gully basically I say Skeng I thief people lyrics and I make them in a song. That's like saying the entertainer isn't talented enough to come up with his own style, come up with his own lyrics, to come up with his own songs. You see me? So yeah, basically this the entertainer right there. So when I say that Gully. So if you want to subscribe and can let me know what you think about this, because you must say no disrespect, and basically you disrespect the artist there. So And so if you're new to the channel and you reach this far, remember subscribe to 4K Shella Energy and run up the channel to 1000. You see me? Yeah man, respect and love. I'm out.
Money start mixing me up, start smile. I'm a drop if I throw every cat gone wild. When the top of the